What up, you guys? I'm back with another video. Now in this video I'll be demonstrating how to do a high top with some high tapers. Well, anyways, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, you guys, so when it comes to a high top, you always want to make sure you kind of pick out the hairs so that way you can get more of an even cut and making sure you know what exactly you're going to be cutting. Okay, you guys, now to start off this high taper, I am going to be using my wall detailers to create my first guideline. Okay, you guys, so now I'm using the 1.5 guard. Now the only reason why I'm starting off with the 1.5 is just, you know, to bring down the bulk and to make it much easier for me to do the high taper and to know exactly where I need to stop. Okay guys, so after using the 1.5, I am back to my first guideline. So now I'm gonna go ahead and create a second guideline with an open lever. Okay guys, so you actually seen how I kind of close the lever little by little, just trying to fade out the first guideline that I created. Okay, you guys, so now I'm working on my last guideline by using the 1/16 guard, and pretty much what I'm doing, I'm just using the corners and just trying to soften out this last guideline that I have, just by closing the lever little by little. guys, so I did realize that I wanted it to bring down the hair from the side. So right now I'm using the number 3. I know I should have done it before doing the tapers, but I was just so focused. I wanted to actually finish the tapers. I didn't think about okay, I had to bring down the hair first. You guys, I'm not perfect. I make mistakes sometimes, but right now I'm just using the number 3, and pretty much what I'm doing is just fading up so whatever size is on top. Okay, you guys, now I am back to the side taper. So right now I'm just just doing a detail work and pretty much trying to clean up as much as I can. Now don't ever feel like you don't need to come back and do a detail work. You always want to make sure you come back and and have a more of a cleaner look. So don't ever feel like, okay, you know what, now that I finished all these steps, I'm done with the cut. Nah, it's always good to come back and do a detail work. Okay, guys, so for this side of the taper, is pretty much the same steps. So whatever step that you do on one side, you do it to the other side. So make sure you kind of memorize exactly what you did on one side before you start creating all these guidelines and not remembering exactly what you did. I've done it before, you guys, and it's something that you really stay stuck. You don't feel like, okay, no, I'm not doing the same taper what I did on the other side. So make sure you remember the steps that you did on the other side of the taper. Okay, you guys, so for the back taper, like I said, it's pretty much the same steps that you do from the sides. So but from the back, it's more of a wider area, so that makes it more easier for you to work on. But you guys, it's just the same steps. I know this video is so simple, I mean, something that you can just pick up real quick, but don't feel like I need to explain to you guys exactly what I'm doing. Just by watching the video, you guys, and following the same steps. So whatever steps you do on the side, you do it to the other side, and you do it on the back. The tapers always stay the same.
DJ Osa.
Okay, you guys, so when it comes to doing a shape up, you always want to make sure you face your client facing the mirror, so that way you can get an idea of exactly what you're doing. See, the mirror, what really does is it helps you, it guides you, it tells you exactly what you're doing, making sure that everything stays even. But as right now, guys, I just have my lever all the way closed, and you can see how the way I'm going up to trying to get that perfect shape. Okay, you guys, so you actually see how I'm gonna start doing the shape up. Now, before I started doing the front, I recorded the side shape up, but apparently my camera just ran out of memory, and so I wasn't really focusing exactly if it was recording or not. But I really do want to apologize, you guys, but you're gonna see how exactly the shape up came out from the side. Okay, you guys, so the next step, what I did apply some hair fiber. Now, the only reason why I'm applying some hair fiber is to give the hairline that extra look, not just for the hairline, but it's also for the high tapers and by far the full cut. Okay, you guys, so right now you can see how the way I'm spraying some water on the client's hair. Now the only reason why I like to do that is because it breaks down the product when I apply it on the hair, and it makes it so much easier to do the curl sponge. It just stands out. So that could be another tip for you guys. Alright, you guys, well, this is the final look, a high top with some high tapers, of course using the hair fiber and also using the curl sponge. But anyways, you guys, if you guys end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I promise you guys that I will try my best to upload one video every week. Alright, you guys, stay tuned.